Welcome to my channel. Show you how. All right, guys, now we're going to wrap our lumpia gulay. All right, we take some of our nice seasoned vegetables that we sauteed. We just put a little bit in here. Okay, guys, don't be shy. Don't put too much because you want to be able to wrap it nicely. Okay, that's about it. You want to do it like that. Okay. Now we let this cool already. Okay, so it's nice and cool. You just want to tuck it real nice and tight. Okay, you want to tuck it nice and tight. Okay, you see what I'm saying? Then you want to fold it over. You just want to fold it over, tuck it nice and tight. All right, let's see. I'm going to do, all right, that's about right. That's good. All right, now we're going to take our egg wash, which is just one egg, whipped nicely, okay? And we're just going to wipe it. That's going to be a seal. Just brush it real nice. Perfect. That's going to be our seal. Just wrap it real tight. Here you go. Just like that. All right. That's what you want. All right, we're going to take this, put it aside. Let me do another one for you. All right, guys, let's do another one. Here we go. Let's give it a try. Just drop it in nicely. All right. Drop it in nicely. Perfect. That looks good. That's enough. Excellent. Now we're going to roll it real tight. Okay, guys? We're just going to roll it nice and tight. All right. Then we're going to take this end and bring it back. Take the other end and bring it back. And then we just want to roll it real tight. Wonderful. Now we're going to take our egg wash. Just going to wipe it nicely. Perfect. That's going to be our seal. Remember? Just roll it real tight. Now we're going to fry our Lumpia gulay. This is going to be great. Make sure your oil is nice and hot, guys. Make sure your oil, you see this? That's how you want it to be. Make sure it's nice and hot. Oh, wow. This is wonderful. All right, we're going to get it nice and brown. I'll show you exactly how it's supposed to look. We turn it a little bit. Just let it sit, and we'll turn it a little bit. That's what you want. That consistent hotness. All right, guys, look at that golden brown Lumpia gulay. Let's take it out. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is beautiful. Look at that. Wow. We're just going to put it on the paper towel to take the excess oil out and let it sit. And we're going to do the rest. This is it, guys. Lumpiang gulay. If this is your first time to my channel, please like and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.